Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Marty's Review channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus 8 Pro. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got the OnePlus 8 Pro. I've got it delivered by FedEx. It only takes about 2 days when I ordered it from OnePlus directly. So let's unpackage this. This box is a little bit bigger than the previous OnePlus 7 Pro that I had. It's a lot longer. And there we have the OnePlus 8 Pro. So with the set, if you order it from the OnePlus store directly, you get the OnePlus earbuds. You can choose either black or white. I think mine was standard with the white. So these are easy to use. The quality sound, it has noise cancellation, and these last up to 30 hours. So first off, right here is the OnePlus 8 Pro. I did get the 12 gig RAM and the 256 ROM. This is the ultramarine blue. I think they also come in black, and I think they have a different other color. I cannot remember what other colors they have. I will link all that in the description. So now opening up the OnePlus 8, I'm going to take the phone out, put it to the side, and show you everything that comes in this box. So this box is totally different from the last OnePlus 7 that I had, the Pro model. And you just lift it up by this little flap. You have your instructions manual in that, but I'll get back to that. So here's your standard case for it. This is a lot flimsier than the OnePlus 7 Pro that I had the previous model. This is a lot thinner, which I prefer this OnePlus 7 Pro case because it's a little bit thicker. And then you have your 30-watt charging cable. This is your Type-C. And below here is your warp charging cable. I think the charging, you could charge half of it up in 30 minutes and complete charge up to about an hour. So inside this little box, you'll just click this little thing here, and there's all your instructions manual, your safety information, your quick start, highlights. You got your OnePlus little stickers. And your invitation letter. Right here we'll have your little SIM card tray pop-out key. Alright, so let's make our way to the phone. It is completely wrapped in this plastic to keep it safe. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the plastic. Unfortunately, it doesn't slide out. You'll actually have to pull this tab to release the stickers. This one is a little bit bigger than the OnePlus 7 Pro. You have your selfie cam up here at the top. Right here on your left hand side, you have your volume up and down rockers. On the right hand side, you have your snooze to vibrate and your power button. So up is to vibrate, down is to ring, and there's your power button. At the bottom, you have your SIM tray and SD card slot. And this is a Type-C charging port. And here are your two speakers. At the top, you have your IR blaster. And now let's get our way to the cameras. So you have a rear camera, 48 megapixel, telephoto lens, that's an 8 megapixel, ultra wide lens, 48 megapixel, color filter lens, 5 megapixel, dual flash LED. It's a 3x zoom, hybrid zoom, autofocus, multi anti-focus, and it also records up into 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. And I'm going to set this up. And I'm going to show you, this does have the 120 hertz. It is super fast, so when you're scrolling, I didn't really see much from the 90 to the 120, but there's definitely from the 60 to the 90. It does drain a lot of power, so I would only recommend using the 120 hertz if you're doing like any gaming, but your daily activity, I would stick to the 90. So you can see how flawlessly this runs at 120 hertz. The screen is beautiful, very crisp and clean, no lagging. It's like cutting butter with a warm knife. It just runs smoothly. So now what I'm going to do is put the case on because it is a fingerprint magnet. The case here, like I said, it's very thin, but it does what it's supposed to do. I purchased another case, thicker case, and I do have the magnet plug so I don't have to keep pulling in and out and scratching around the phone. But overall, this phone is beautiful. Coming from the OnePlus 7 Pro, I love my OnePlus 7 Pro because it was all screen. It had an actually pop-up camera. So it takes me time to get used to the selfie camera on the phone. But again, it's on the side to the left. It's basically out of your way, so the screen still looks fabulous. I would definitely recommend, if you were looking for any OnePlus phone, I would definitely recommend the OnePlus 8 Pro. It's a little bit more expensive than the normal OnePlus 8, but it has so much benefits. The camera's a lot better. The screen is bigger, and it has a bigger refresh rate. So I would definitely recommend this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. Also, check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.